In this tutorial, we'll guide you on customizing and creating a title block in Xdraw. In the Settings page, select Title Block Settings from the Xdraw Settings drop-down. Click on Add New Custom Title Block and provide a name for your title block. Choose the layout for your title, whether it should be the default horizontal option, or you can choose vertical and click on the Add button. You'll be redirected to your new title block for customization. To change the image, upload a file by clicking on Choose File. You'll see the title block image update. In Preview, select the text box and adjust the alignment of your text as needed. Similarly, you can add your notes and align them according to your preferences. You can manage your text boxes by adding, duplicating, or deleting them using the corresponding options. Click the Save button to preserve your title block settings. Back in Title Block Settings, you can set your new title block as the default title block for use across various projects. You can also view, edit, rename, and delete title blocks using the Action button. To see your title block in Xdraw, open the editor and navigate to Xdraw Settings. Select Title Block Settings and click Add Title Block. Your title block will appear with the layout you chose. If you had chosen a vertical layout, your design would display a vertical title block. You can rotate and position as you prefer. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for choosing X1080. For more, visit x1080.com.